So today, heading down to Porsche Highwick to spec up the new GT3 Touring. The allocation has been confirmed, thank God. So I'm gonna, head down there. But we've got a few things to show you first. SVJ's back from repair. It has a new diffuser on it because someone reversed into the car at literally 2 miles an hour and it cracked the rear diffuser, but it's back now and it's just been cleaned. My cleaning guys, next level detailing. Dean's hiding, he doesn't want to be on camera. Also, fun update. This is the car we'll be taking today. It looks different, right? So the bottom of the BMW i7 has been wrapped in this spy grey colour. It's Yanamite's colour. If you haven't checked out the video I did with him, check it out on his channel. Basically, he was here, he had his Range Rover, it was this colour, and I was like, oh, that looks sick. And he went, Tommy, do you want to roll? I've got a spare one at the office, so used it on this. And then also, side skirts, you see that? So now it's no longer just a BMW i7, it's a wrapped BMW i7 with side skirts and a rear diffuser. It looks so much nicer. I think the back looks nicer, definitely, because now it doesn't look like an obelisk. You can see some of the shape in the car. So we're gonna have a comfortable ride down to Porsche, but first, we need to put the cars back in the garage. So SVJ startup for all the SVJ fiends out there. The battery seems to be low, so when they were repairing the car, it doesn't sound like they had it plugged in. Because did you hear that start? It was like so I need to urgently get this on life support, aka the triple charger. I'm going to put it in my very narrow garage. So yeah, we're cruising down to Porsche Highwick, and that's exactly the same place I got my GT3 RS from. If you're wondering why I'm not in the GT3 RS today, it's in storage and the weather is terrible. Well, it was going to be terrible, but it's sunny now, so it would have been the perfect car to go down in. But anyway, it gives me an opportunity to chill out and relax inside the BMW i7. We ordered the Porsche GT3, or we requested to order it about 3 or 4 months ago when it was first announced. We could send our spec from October 1st. I sent my spec, but then I realized that I might want to change it a bit. So here at Porsche Highwick has asked me to come down. So we're going to try and finalize the spec today. My car's coming a lot sooner than I thought it was going to be. I wanted to go with PTS, but there's a reason we can't go with PTS, but you're going to find out when we get there. But yeah, it should be a fun day of spending money on cars, even though I told my wife I was going to spend no more money on cars. You know what, funny enough, I didn't even tell her that I was going to do this today. I just snuck out. If you're seeing this now, I'm sorry. So Porsche Highwick, I'm here with Elliot. So Elliot is the guy that sorted out this, well, we've been talking to about it for a while now. Yeah, so GT3 Touring time.
GT3 Touring time, that's
here
to spec the car up today.
Yeah.
I think I'm as excited as you are.
Okay, I'm just gonna say one thing. I'm not getting it manual. That's what I'm saying.
Not manual.
That's what I'm saying. I heard a sacrilege to not getting it manual, but I'm not getting it manual because I'm either driving fast or driving around town. Cool. So I don't want to be doing that.
Absolutely. That's for the PDK sake.
Yeah, exactly. How long have you been with Porsche?
About 15 months or so now.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be good fun to go through this experience with you.
Yeah.
It's my first spec'd up GT product, so
yeah.
it should be good fun.
Let's do this.
Okay, so yeah, at the moment we've got the jet black metallic, obviously with all the contrasting silver accents like on the wheels and the window trims. Always quite a clean and sort of classic 911 look. Obviously we can mix that up. You have got colours like the vanadium grey, slightly darker than that. It's almost like a mid-tone grey with a slight bluey sort of tint to it. You've then got things like the ice grey metallic.
I do like that colour.
Yeah. Obviously you've then got the launch spec.
That looks so good.
The oak green metallic also looks fantastic.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
The new Lugano blue, so quite similar to the Shark blue. On the Generation 1. Or Gentian blue, always really popular.
Gentian blue is a nice colour, man.
Again,
nice
slightly
colour.
darker than that. Always looks good on the Touring, that's for sure.
You know what, Elliot? I think it's gonna have to be the oak green metallic.
Oak green
I think it's gonna have to. Ideally, I would have gone for PTS, but there's no PTS slots available for this car. So if there was, it'd be way further down the line, wouldn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's it.
And I'm an impatient man, so oak green metallic is literally the color of the Panamera back there. And it just looks good. It looks good.
You can't go wrong with it.
You can't go wrong.
You can't go wrong with it.
You can't go wrong. Alternatively, I could just get black and then wrap the car, but then it'll end up costing the exact same amount. So I'm on Auto Trader now. I've typed in previous generation 992 GT Touring. I said whatever color comes up first is the color that I'm not getting. So I don't know what color came up first. Oh no, is it green? No! So I'm not getting, oh, 2 green cars first. What the hell? What is going on? You know what? A black car, everyone loves a black car, right?
You can't go wrong with a black car.
You can't go wrong with it, and I don't have a black car, and I want it to be subtle.
There's a few cool things you can actually add with a black car as well.
Okay, let's go black, let's go black, let's go black. Jet black metallic, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Jet black.
Yeah.
I was gonna go for the bucket seats, and I was thinking they look cool, they're new buckets, and they're heated now as well. So I was thinking that makes sense, but then I thought, this is a touring. The whole reason I'm getting this car is so that I could drive it all the time and enjoy it and be comfortable. Yeah. With the bucket seats, I'm not gonna be comfortable. Well, I'll be comfortable, but I won't be comfortable getting in and out.
In and out. They're better than they were before.
Yeah. So I think I'm gonna 18-way bucket, 18-way regular adaptive sports seats. Let's go for the 18-way.
We've gone to black on the exterior,
yeah,
black on the interior.
Yeah.
Little look of what we're then going to do on the seats. You can obviously mix up the colour of the interior.
Originally I was just gonna go for old man colour, so brown.
Cognac's quite popular. It's a little bit darker than that.
Yeah.
We can go for the Cohiba, which is even darker than that. I probably prefer the Cohiba. It's a little bit.
Can I see the Cohiba?
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, that's more me. That's what I was visualizing that more. I'm not doing lightweight pack because that's 30 grand, isn't it?
Not gonna do, yeah, that's it. The light barrel pack.
Because the lightweight pack doesn't actually add anything to the car. It just makes the car 22 kg lighter.
That's it. Adds a little more carbon fibre on the front end. It's not a huge difference.
Do you know what? I'll just have to find 22. You know what? I just won't have any passengers. That will balance it. Yeah.
That's it. Rear seats. Isofix fastening on there as well?
Yes, please. Oh no. Yes, I need Isofix, but I feel like if you press Isofix, you can't have the tan interior because it did that to me online.
Correct.
Guys. Oh no, I have to save money. If you have Isofix front seat, which I ideally want because I want my son to be in the front seat with me, you then cannot have the tan interior, which is unfortunate. But fortunate at the same time, because I've just saved myself £8,000. So let's slap that on. Oh, I mean, that might mean the car has to be green now. It might actually mean the car has to be green.
We could go green.
Because black on black is very black, unless I go like ice grey, but we'll leave it now as black.
As is.
But can you do the one with the white stitching?
With the
GT Silver?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm going for a carbon roof, not for any reason other than it looks nice. And I haven't got the lightweight pack, so at least it has the carbon roof. It looks nice as well. It does look nice. And it means less to wrap if I wrap the car, so. Oh my goodness. I can lick that. I'm not gonna lick your screen. So what are we at now? 173.
So we're at 181.
181! Oh, the ceramics.
Just the ceramics. And obviously painted in black as well.
Painted in black. Yeah, okay. 181. I think with the white wheels, that's gonna look absolutely sick. Like, that will look mad with white wheels.
Very ST.
Yeah.
In terms of, you can go to door trim packages, so you can have that all in the leather as well, so.
That sounds like extra money to me. What is it? It changes this to leather.
Correct.
That does look good. What does it look like without it?
You're probably not going to be able to get a
Oh, because you lose the stitch.
That's it.
How much is that?
So that's going to be the 1,000 again at 130.
What are we at now?
Total price?
Please don't say 190.
No, we haven't changed. We're still at the 181, 310.
Okay, so what are the big options I'm gonna need now? I've got all the carbon ceramics, I've got the nose lift, I've got everything I need. I just haven't got my Bose.
Yep.
And I've got everything else, haven't I?
Everything else is pretty much there.
Wait, the interior stitching, how much was that again? The extra door card and leather and stuff.
So that was £2,000.
Yeah, let me look at a 911 here, because you're gonna have one without it, aren't you?
Yeah, so if you go around the...
Oh, it slides. I almost broke your door open, boy. This way?
If you go around to the right,
yeah.
we got a Lugano blue car up here.
Oh, it's a nice blue.
Again, quite similar to how sharp blue was.
Yeah. Oh, this is the standard one, yeah?
Correct. So this down here, so you'll feel it. It's kind of in like a...
Yeah, faux leather.
Whereas having that in the natural leather, it's just tiring.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we'll leave it in the leather. I think. Yes. Yes, let's leave it. Yes, just leave it in the leather. Because I know what you mean. It will feel, oh, is this the material you're talking about? This will what be on the side. I have this in the 3RS, I think.
It's slightly different to this, yeah.
Yeah, it'll be here.
It's still leather. So
yeah.
It's like a textured.
Textured leather thing.
Textured leather. Yeah.
Okay.
It's only on the Touring. It's actually very similar to what we're sort of going for.
And are those the adaptive sport? No, they're not, are they?
These are the 14 races.
Okay, yeah. Cool. All right. Sick. I'm happy with that. Although this colour does look absolutely sensational. Wow. And it's only $2,000 more, isn't it?
It is.
Elliot, you know what? What would you do? You do this.
I think I'm going green.
Elliot, let's go green. Let's go green. Let's just do it. Let's just do it, man. Let's just do it. Let's just do green. Because I'm sitting here thinking, oh, black. Who wants a black car? Not me. And it's hard to keep black cars clean.
It is.
I can do green and white wheels still. You could do that, right?
Yeah.
You could do that, right? Green and white wheels. Yeah. Can you do a little spin around the car?
We can have a little spin around the car.
That looks good, right? I'm not bugging out, right? That actually looks really good.
Yeah. As well, the tail light and wires.
Yeah.
All comes together really nicely.
I'm happy with this. I'm really happy with this. So I went back on my word, ended up with a green car. It's gonna be green. I'm gonna do the wheels white when the car arrives, just to add a little bit of flair. Black calipers, chrome around the edge. I think it's banging. I think that's actually banging. Like, personally, I think that's a good job. What do you think?
Super classy, really like it. Go for the black interior as well. It's just gonna look, really nice and classic.
Okay, so sign this one.
Yeah, that's it. So,
sweet.
If you just sign on the back page, which is page number 6. That's yours.
Oh my goodness, 194. Oh gosh, yeah, great. Oh my gosh. Well, so apparently you can get ISOFIX with this. Because it's standard with this, you can't then option it. So another $8,000 on interior bits. But technically not $8,000 because I won't need the extra leather on the thing. So it's $5,000.
Kind of cancels.
Yeah. Okay, so the car's completely changed. This whole video is pointless. It's now green with a cognac interior because apparently, did I say this already? You can get ISOFIX with cognac. It comes as standard. All right, cool. Yeah, sweet. I need to get home to my wife and child. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. That's been wicked, honestly.
Congratulations.
I know. So, I'm gonna miss that 3RS, but hey, touring instead.